Hey y'all, it's Nicki with Tangerine. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a smoky eye using Aveda's makeup, and I'm gonna do some simple, easy contouring that anyone can do. I hope that you enjoy. Starting with a clean face, I'm using a foundation brush and I'm applying Aveda's Intense Hydrating Cream all over my face as a moisturizer. To prime my eyes for the smoky eye look, I'm using the medium eyeshadow brush with Aveda's Eyeshadow Transformer. This product is excellent to intensify any eyeshadow. I'm applying the transformer to my whole lid and my lash line on the bottom. The first step for this smoky eye is to use the mid-tone in the Gobi Sands Trio. I'm using the medium eyeshadow brush to prep the whole eye with the mid-tone. Using a medium eyeshadow brush, use Black Tulip mixed with the transformer to create the smoky eye. I like to start in the crease of my eye and work my way out onto the lash line. After using the Black Tulip with the transformer to create the smoky eye, go back to your Gobi Sands mid shade to help blend away any harsh lines. I prefer a little sparkle with my smoky eye, so I'm adding Spark with the transformer to create a little sparkle with my smoky eye, and I'm applying it in a patting motion to create an intense look. I'm using Aveda's Opal eyeshadow color with the blending brush below my brow and to help blend away any harsh lines from the smoky eye. Using a brow brush and the darkest brown in the Gobi Sands Trio, I'm going to fill in my brows. I like to start at the base of my brow and work the brush under through the arch to the end of my brow. For a more intense brow look, you can use the Petal Essence Eye Definer in Rich Chocolate Brown. Apply using a flick